What is good on YouTube? Hey, back making another brand new crypto TV episode. In today's video, we do need to look at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Now, pretty much what we said yesterday is starting to come true. However, it is way, and I mean way, too early to tell what exactly is going on. Obviously, within XRP, you can see we are kind of correcting. We have corrected, and we are starting to hit kind of a support here. We're going to see if we're going to head lower or if we're going to start to reverse up. We also have things on Ethereum after its correction back down to retest support. We'll see where that goes. We also need to look at Bitcoin. We are also going to be looking at the S&P 500, which is consolidating. But more importantly, and the reason I'm rushing you is to let you know we are still doing an Amazon gift card giveaway. So if you want a chance to win one of these Amazon gift cards for free, completely free, all you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to the channel, as I will be checking. And beyond that, you also need to comment down below in the comment section, giveaway. That's it. So subscribe, comment subscribed, and also comment giveaway. So I guess 2 or 3 things, you know, check to subscribed, check to make sure you're subscribed, and comment subscribed and giveaway. Do those 3 steps, I guess. 2 if you've already subscribed, and you'll be entered for the drawing on Sunday. We've already received, the winner from last week has already came out, so he's been sent the gift card from last week. So this week we're going to have a new winner, so definitely make sure to stay tuned for that. It is very exciting. But moving forward from then on out, as you guys know, like I said before, we are tracking some very interesting movements across the board within most of the major cryptocurrencies, and I don't think we're going to see anything that crazy this week, which is good. We definitely need to rest, but I don't think we're going to be seeing much positive movements to the upside. I think we're going to be seeing more of a healthy pullback or correction this week, just because of the way these markets are moving. I think we need to see some healthy reversal, which will allow us to head out even higher. And I'll explain a little bit more what I mean by that in a second. But with that being said, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump into today's episode. So guys, basically yesterday, I'm kind of referring to the same thing. I said, do not fall for the bull trap. Just because we fell doesn't mean like the bulls are gone. Yes, we are correcting. Yes, we did reject here. But again, this is healthy and it is necessary, in my opinion, for most of the major cryptos. You can see we're only at 1.4 trillion. We're at 69 on the Fear and Greed Index, down about 0.5%. And you can see for the most part, the markets are just consolidating. This is consolidation at its finest. We're not really seeing much movement at all, besides just sideways flatline movement here. And I think this is necessary and a healthy step for us to continue to head up. Now, I don't know for certain what exactly is happening within XRP's 4-hour. You can clearly see the rejection that took place here off the moving average and the price ceiling. This pulled us all the way down to support here. And we'll see where we go from here. There's a chance we could consolidate here. We could come back up. We don't know exactly what's to come yet, but we did bottom out. We did become almost oversold, and that's why we're starting to see this reversal. But taking a step back, you can see on the daily charts, we are still consolidating. Not really much has moved. We're pretty much flatlined out at 50 on the dot on the RSI here, and you can see it's in between a sideways channel. So we need to just let things kind of pan out a bit more. Yet again, very simply put, since we've now trended outside of the 5th bull flag formation, and yes, you heard that right, we have 5 bull flags forming here. 4 of the 5 are confirmed. We're working on the 5th one as I speak. You can see clear as day here what we need to look at. Because we've broken out of it already, I would likely think what we're looking at is a price ceiling and a support. Now, ideally, the buy-in opportunity would be above this resistance here. This is the price ceiling. We need to break this on the daily for us to buy in the long. Until that comes, we're kind of just sitting ducks here, because we could consolidate like this. We could fall all the way down to support. There's lots of things that could happen. And if we do decide to head lower, we'll probably buy in on this off the retest and then buy in for a long. But until then, we're sitting ducks. Until we break through this, we're sitting ducks. And until we retest support, we're sitting ducks. There's not really much vital movement across the board that would really scream, oh, let's buy into these markets just yet. Nothing on XRP is saying that we have confirmed a breakout. Well, we have seen the confirmation, but we haven't seen like its start just yet. And a lot of the other cryptocurrencies are also big indicators that markets are mainly still consolidating and they need to pull back down a bit more to kind of gauge ourselves and set ourselves up for bigger movements in the future. Now, obviously, we do all these trades on Bitfi, which is the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. Bitfi lets you buy long, sell short, leverage trade, create stop losses, take profits, everything you could possibly want on an exchange is offered on Bitfi, including a sign-up bonus of $2,888. So make sure to check this out down in the description below. Sign up for free, and then go claim your rewards, which is super cool. And then beyond that, you can see where you can take profits, stop losses. They have XRP to leverage trade, which literally no other exchange at this point really has. Maybe some have been added, but for the most part, this is the one that's been around for who knows how long, years now, and they've been nothing but reliable. So just keep that in the back of your head. Now, again, consolidation is necessary across these cryptos. We're starting to reverse off of this, but I still think we're due for some consolidation. You can see Ethereum broke through its price floor. We fell down a moving average. This was a huge short opportunity that we took advantage of, but now that we're hitting moving average here, we're starting to consolidate. Yet again, as I said within XRP, we're not really seeing anything crazy. Now, I do think we could maybe draw some sort of uptrend. I'm actually gonna, this actually looks pretty peculiar. I'm actually gonna leave this like this on the daily here, because I do like the way this is starting to look here. You can see we're more so starting to form an ascending triangle on Ethereum here, a much bigger ascending triangle filling in the gap here. And simply put, we break through this support on the bottom here, we can buy in and short this down to moving average. Otherwise, I would suspect it's going to consolidate up until we retest price ceiling, which would open up a opportunity to buy in and long. But again, I'm not entirely sure. We have to let things pan out a bit more, but some new indicators are definitely starting to reveal itself. I don't see one just yet that looks the best on XRP. Maybe we could draw something like this in. Maybe that's starting to fill itself out. I don't know for sure just yet, as it is very early on, and we're maybe starting to form a third confirmation. So we do need to let things pan out a bit more before we can confirm, but it is something that we do need to still pay attention to, because at any point these break through these supports, it does open up a moderate opportunity or an aggressive opportunity to short it to the downside. So definitely keep your eyes peeled on that. Now, moving forward to look at Bitcoin here, it's kind of similar. I mean, this is much bigger. The Ethereum looks a bit more like the Bitcoin chart here, where Ethereum, we just now discovered more so this kind of symmetrical triangle here, or ascending triangle here, which ends towards the 9th of December. This ends also around the 9th of December to the 10th of December as well. So these are definitely two cryptos to keep on the radar, Ethereum and Bitcoin, as these kind of ascending triangles could lead to an opportunity to buy in or short. Now, it could happen any day now, because we've seen many of times these break early and they short early, and also it could take till the end here. So regardless, what you need to be paying attention to is this price floor in yellow and the price ceiling in green. At any point we break through either this top resistance or this price floor, that will open up the opportunity to long or short on the daily. We've attempted it numerous times, literally since the start or the end of October and all of November, and the price ceiling right here. As soon as we can break through one of these resistance or supports, that'll open up a big opportunity to buy in and long, or buy in and short, which we can do on Bitfi. Now, lastly, looking at the S&P, I think we are long overdue for a correction here. Yeah, we're in this bull flag formation, but you can see we are at a peak here. We are at resistance, so I'd likely think that this is now needed to correct. Very so slightly. You can see kind of the reference here. The original time we broke out, which was, it would be right about here. So you can see this uptrend here is this. The bull flag is right here. This is right here. We just broke out, and we just broke out here. So now what I'm looking for is this middle ground, which is just this consolidation. That's truly what I'm looking for, and I think we're due to see, which is just consolidation movements here, just consolidation movements. Now, for us, this is going to lower ourselves, because you can see we were at a peak here, and we ended up going all the way down to 46 when we started at 62. We're at 69 right now, so I'd like to see us get back down to 50, and we can hopefully do that by consolidating outwards, and that'll then prime us for a break to the upside here. So I'm excited. I do think we're due for a much bigger run to the upside. So when maybe we see this consolidation start to take place, I'll probably end up putting more in after this month. So just keep your eyes peeled, because things really do look good. But with all that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.